Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing this orange and yellow glittery eye. I absolutely love this. I love orange and yellows together. It just makes green eyes pop, and adding the glitter in there just took it to a whole new level. So if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. Okay, as usual, I'm going to start out by priming my eyelids using my Fenty Beauty eye primer. So I really want these shadows on my lid to pop, so I'm going to be going in with a matte lipstick by MAC. This is in the shade Dangerous. It's just a very red orange. And I'm going to apply that lightly with a concealer brush. As always, be cautious when using eye products near lip products near the eye area. I'm just going to put it all over the lid with that concealer brush, and then I'm going to blend it out. And now with a synthetic fluffy brush, I'm just going to start blending that directly into that crease. And obviously, if you do this, you want to use a matte lipstick. For the shadows, I'm going to dip into my Morphe Lisa Frank palette. And I'm going to take this orange right here, and I'm just going to pack that all over the lid where we place the lipstick. So you can see now it's just nice and vibrant because we have that base underneath. I'm going to get that shade on the tip of that brush and start to apply it into the crease. Next, I'm going to take the yellow, and with a fluffy brush, I'm first going to pat that into the crease. And then we're going to start blending using back and forth and circular motions. And I'm just going to keep dipping into more product to get it as pigmented as I would like. So you can see it's pretty much starting to blend out on its own just because the orange and the yellow are complementary. Okay, so I want to bring that orange up a little bit higher, so I'm going in with a different fluffy brush and that orange shade. And I'm just going to be looking ahead to kind of see where it sits when my eyes are open. And just bringing it up. Okay, this might not make much of a difference, but I'm gonna take this red shade. As you can see, it's pretty similar to the orange, so like I said, it might not make a difference, but we're gonna try it. And with a different flat shading brush, I'm going to pack that closer to the lash line. And it's really not making a difference, so you could definitely skip this step. I'm gonna go in with my Melt Cosmetics Onyx Gel Liner, and we're gonna do a wing. I'm going to try and keep this small, but I know how it typically goes. So I'm doing the line out, and then I'm flipping my brush and I'm going to drag that in. This is always hard to do on camera because I can't stabilize my arm like I typically do. So I'll perfect that off camera, but then I'm going to go and do a thin line all the way across the lash line. So I'm going to perfect that off camera. Okay, so here's how that's looking with the wing on. So I'm going to do some mascara and lashes off camera. Okay, so this is how it's looking with the eyeliner and lashes on. So I'm going to go in with a red eyeliner for my waterline. This is by Fenty Beauty in the shade Cherry Punk. And I'm just going to apply that all up in there. Okay, so now that I have that in my waterline, I'm going to go in with that orange shade we used on the lid. And I'm going to put that all the way from inner corner to outer corner. We're going to do a super smoky lower lash line. Okay, now I'm going to go in with that yellow. I'm going to do the same thing I did in the crease where I'm packing it first and then starting to buff it out. Okay, so you can apply lashes and leave it like this, but I want to do a very glittery inner corner and I don't know what to use. I'm thinking of using this by Danessa Myricks. So it has orange, yellow, there's a little blue, green. Honestly, it has everything in there, and I think this is just going to make it stand out so much more. So before I do that, I think I want to do yellow on the inner corner to kind of act as a base behind the glitter. So I'm putting it around the inner corner and kind of blending it up to that crease and that lower lash line. So that on its own actually looks pretty cool, but I'm still going to do the glitter. Here's a close-up of what that looks like. There's a lot of colors in it, but it's definitely pulling more golden on camera. Okay, so with a different pencil brush, I'm going to put that all up in there. And I'm going to take it on the lower lash line as well, about halfway. So these are more like flakes. I think they actually call them chrome flakes. So it just gives definitely a different texture and dimension than regular glitter. Ooh, that was a good choice. Oh, that is so fun. Okay, so I'm just going to go apply some bottom lash mascara. I'm just going to use my typical MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. I'm going to do the other eye, and then I'll come back and show you everything together. So here is that entire look completed. I think doing the glitter in the center was a fantastic choice. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, let me know what other videos you want to see down in the comments, and I will see you in my next one.